Kani gade kapati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Haka sitarek bat ka artarek mentau benai risau, Ryngkat Baroh Kawei keri India. Kisipai jong katnat Indian Air Force, kibaran haka jakat rekam jong kani katnat haka ni kanong ba Shillong ru, kila Rakhe ya kasni kebelas yang ningkong ya kani katnat. Mentau Snem katnat Indian Air Force kala kenjo syau Snem ba prapusan nadu belas yang yaka. Bat sibenta jong kajing Rakhe ya kani kasni, haka sitarek bat artarek mentau benai la ailat ru yikiriu pai ba ban yarong yami haka kat lingsun jong kani katnat kabaran ha apor Shillong. Haka ni ki arsengi la pan inam sikipai ba yakikam jong kisipai lingsun hakari. Kumjo yaki tiar gitar bala penongkam banyele persya yaki nongshon kumjo da kabapan heru yaki lingsun helikopter kentop yaka MI-17 nalor kini Baroh hakani ka jaka la deru yaki tiar gitar ki bala penmi da kenat Indian Air Force ban pensakan mau yaki paitba ki bala wani sementa hakani ka jeng Rakhe nalor ki tiar la deru yaki jan kinam ki juti bat kiwei de ki mar ki mata hakador ka babet dor ba.
This is the first formation, the B formation. From here, the team will advance forward to present their impressive rubber skills in a closer view to you all. I need not mention the strict physical regime of the team members, as the 5.5 kg do not feel muscle, which appears to be a toy in the hand, stays it all for them.
Wow, awesome.
Switching over to alternate line formation. Meanwhile, LAC PK Short will perform solo advanced drill, which is a combination of agility, flexibility and strength. The team now steps over into press formation and move back to demonstrate their confidence in drill of self and the teammate.